Tignan nyo yung ano ito oh. May nag-comment dito oh. Kaya ingat kayo sa mga scammer na gumamit ng pangalan ng prinsipe ng Dubai. I-block ko ito ngayon. Gagawa sila ng kalukuhan talaga para maano. Kaya i-block ko ito ngayon. Don't believe all of this, okay? All are fake in Facebook. I have checked already some of profiles. They are Nigerians connected to this group, and they are using the profile photo or photos of the Prince Hamdan Fasa of Dubai, like this one. So be careful, guys. So this is his comment. So don't believe in this. Oh, I think he's the one to try to contact me. I want him to block, but I think there is a person trying to contact him. So this is it. Oh, so don't believe these people using this. They are Nigerian. So it's really not good. So I am blocking some of the profiles in Facebook. It's because they are connected in scam, asking royal membership card like this one. They are pretend. I check his profile. Profile is no information, so this is fake. So I already block. Did you see? So this one, this person is contacted to the scammer. Like this one. He received this. This is fake. So this person is not in Messenger. Did you say friends? So they are using the Prince Hamdan Fasa. I tried to check his info. I searched. Wait a while. Not come out. So that cannot see in the in my search.
1 million pala. Hindi, akala ko 1 million. Tumitin na.
Million pun daw pantana.
Ang tinawag semakin diwata.
Papa yung dito nagbabayad tayo barutan.
Baka pang ano lang din nila yan, pang views.
O ano? Tinulungan nila naglinda tapos nag-ano din sa Rasmussen. Kasi nang dahil sa ano, negosyo nila. Kala ko 10 million nakalagay doon. 1 million.
Kung may million na ako doon. Ano mga post ko? Patama ng mga post ko. Kinakapinan lang naman.
Meaning this person working in Hamdan Foundation or groups, I don't know. So just this one I have checked, and then hometown is Dubai United Arab Emirates. So I want to see all. Let's check if about his info. Maybe now they are